I wanted to provide you guys with additional resources to help you build fully optimized titles for your listings. As I stated before, creating a listing with the right keywords is really key to getting great sales on eBay. So I'm looking at this hammer here on Amazon.com. You'll see it's a Maxcraft 8-ounce stubby claw hammer. So let's see if we can build a fully optimized title for this item. So I'm just going to copy the URL, come over to DSM tool, paste it in, and click import. And right away, what I'm going to do is get rid of the word Maxcraft, because that's a brand that's not very popularly searched for. And this number, 60626, I think that's like a model number, and that's not something people are really going to be searching for. So I'll delete that, and we're left with 8-ounce stubby claw hammer. You'll notice underneath that DSM tool gives you suggested words. This is a little bit helpful. It gives you words like top quality, original, and genuine. They're always going to throw those in there. But then it actually pulls words out of the description that they think would be words that people search for. So if we come over back to Amazon and scroll down to the description, you'll see it says that it's 8-ounce forged steel claw head, magnetic head holds nails, or just some of the words that are here in the description. Come over to DSM tool. Those are some of the words that they suggest. Holds nail, steel carbon curve, ounce, 8-ounce. So they're pulling those directly from the description. That's a good place to start, but you don't really know if that's exactly what people are searching for on eBay. So one resource that I suggest is great to use is Title Builder. So this is the website. I'll put a link to this underneath the video. And you come over, and right here you could put in the item you're selling. So I'm selling a hammer, and it gives me words that people search for on eBay that are also searched for with hammer. So the word ounces, face, new, steel, handle, framing, tool, grip, mallet, words like that. So let's see if we can fit any of those into our title. So this says handle. So maybe we could put in short handle, because that's a popular word. Ounce, but we have ounce already. Doesn't look like we need the period. Steel framing, tool. Let's see if any of those apply. Obviously, the word tool will fit. Does the word steel? Let's see what this is made of. Forged steel. So yes, we want to put the word steel in there. Short handle steel tool. Right now I'm not really worrying about the order too much, just trying to get the words, the keywords in there. Framing. Don't know if this is a framing hammer. Magnetic head, non-slip, small spaces. I don't think this is a framing hammer, but magnetic head, even though it's not something that is showing up here, I still think that would be a great word to put in there. So I'm going to put magnetic head. And I'm not seeing anything else that might really work besides the word grip. So let's try something else. I'm going to type in stubby hammer. So we see stubby claw. So do we have the word claw in here yet? Yes. So that's in there. Magnetic is in there. So good thing that we did use that one. Handle again. Maxcraft. So maybe this makes me change my mind. This makes me think that I should put the word Maxcraft in there. But I'll put it down here. It's not so important. So we have 8-ounce stubby claw hammer, short handle steel tool, magnetic head, Maxcraft. Let's see if we can find some other great keywords. Another resource I like to use is just eBay itself. So you can type in stubby hammer, and we'll see what comes up. This is obviously the same one. It's sold 269 times, so they're doing something right. But like I said, you want to choose words that are going to make you stand out. So this says 8-ounce magnetic head, small. Do we have the word small in here? No. So we want the word small. Steel tool, magnetic head, small. And that about fills it up. We only have 4 characters left. I don't think we're going to be able to put anything else in there. So we have 8-ounce stubby claw hammer, short handle, steel tool, magnetic head, small, Maxcraft. So that is a fully optimized title. We use the words from the description. We use Title Builder. And then we use eBay itself. Let's try another one here. So I found this saw that I want to list. So let's go ahead and copy down the URL. Come over to DSM tool and paste it in. Okay, right away I'm going to eliminate where it says Eversaw. Sounds like a brand. Folding hand saw, all purpose. I don't think we need the word all purpose, but wood, bone, PVC, tree pruning, the words best for right here, just a waste. So delete those. Tree pruning, cut off the rest of the title. But right here, again, these are suggested words by DSM tool. It always gives the same ones: top quality, original, genuine. I would ignore those. The words prune might be good. I like that one. The word sale, you don't want to use. Outdoor. Cutting, maybe. I'll throw that in there for now. I could always delete it. Hiking, that's a great word. I bet a lot of people are searching for hiking saws. Fast. So I think that's about it, but let's look again at the description. This is where I like to go first for great keywords to use. High quality tool, lifetime warranty, rugged, 8-inch. I feel like the size should be in there. So put the word 8-inch. We'll put it somewhere else later. Let's see what else. We got the words wood, bone, plastic. Okay, let's go over to Title Builder and see what that will yield for us. Folding saw. And we'll see what that comes up with. Folding saw, hand, because this is a hand saw. So let's put that in there. The word hand is in there already. Great. Blade, camping. So I think we had the word hiking, but not the word camping. So let's throw that in there. And we've hit our limit. So let's clean this up. So folding hand saw. I don't like to have everything in all capitals. So those are all the keywords I want to use here. I just want to rearrange them a little bit. Folding handsaw. I think these wood, bone, PVC should be just kind of thrown in at the end. I think the words hiking and camping are more important. So let's put those up closer to the front. Folding handsaw. Camping, 8-inch. Hiking. Right, so folding handsaw, camping, 8-inch, hiking, tree pruning, prune, cutting, wood, bone, PVC. I think that's a great title. Like I've said before, it really doesn't have to make too much sense as long as the first few words form like an actual coherent sentence. Folding handsaw. That's perfect. And then it has the word camping in 8-inch right up there at the top as well. So this is a great optimized title. Let's see if there's any other words I might have missed. I'm not seeing anything great here. Let's try eBay. We'll just search for folding handsaw and see if anything better comes up. This one sold 100 times. Professional, large teeth. Folding handsaw, 7 inches, gives the size. Pruning, trimming, tree branch. We got a lot of these words, so I think we're good. Do we have the size in there? This is 8 inches. So that's a different size. Yep. So I think this is a fully optimized title, so this is the one that I would go with. So again, we just started with DSM tool and pulled out the keywords that is suggested that we liked. Went back to the Amazon listing, found some other words that we liked that we thought would work well. Then went over to Title Builder and used that and kind of verified a lot of the words we already chose, but it suggested some new ones that we didn't have. And then finally, we went to eBay, and eBay kind of verified the words we had already chosen as well. So use these resources. They'll really help you out in building your title. But after some time, after you get the hang of it, you won't really have to go to Title Builder or even eBay. You'll just be able to tell from your own experience and just by looking at the listing what good keywords are. But these are great when you're just starting out.